Hi, I'm Sheiffa. I'm a first-year associate at Davinder Singh Chambers. The firm specializes in dispute resolution and arbitration, so that's mainly the area of work that I'm assisting with at the moment. Be hungry, be extremely hungry to learn, be curious about what goes on outside of like the Bukit Timah campus. Be interested, I think, or have that heart to listen and to help others. I think that is very important. You know, a lot of the cases that you deal with at the Legal Aid Bureau when you're doing the legal clinics are people who need actual help, who will turn to you really for every little thing that they need, and you need to be compassionate, or not, I wouldn't even say compassionate, but you know, just have a heart to know that, you know, this is what you need to do and for them. One thing that really propelled me to taking the clinic was that, and really all the experiences that I had in law school was that, you know, your learning doesn't just stop at the classroom. The real learning comes when you go out of the classroom. And it was all these opportunities for me that pushed me to not just grow as a person, but really find out what I wanted and what I didn't want to do, you know. So you won't know what you want or what you need or what your strengths are if you don't go out there and be hungry and try everything else. And then you decide, okay, this is what I want, this is what I don't want. And related to your earlier question about how this has then shaped what I'm doing now, it definitely has, because I didn't know what exactly I wanted to do while I was still in law school, which practice area I wanted, whether I even wanted to practice law. So having these experiences, at least I knew at the point when I had to make a decision, I have had all these experiences. I have ventured into all these different practice areas, whether it was helping with like a corporate issue or a family law issue. You know, it really emboldened me in making my decisions to what I really want to do in the future. Actually, it might have been the clinic, because I was very involved in the clinic, and when you're part of the clinic, you are really taking care of that case or that file that you're working on. You're not just doing a piece of research and then sending it off. You actually have to take care of that file. And doing that, and then I had a very rare opportunity of seeing an application from start to finish, drafting the summons, drafting the affidavit, going to court, getting the order, and seeing the whole process come to life. I realized that at every step, there's just so much to learn, there's so much to do, and then at the end of it, when you get that order that you've asked for, that satisfaction is quite amazing. And you know that we got a text. I did this with it was a case with Professor Ruby Lee, and then we got a text, and the person was so thankful that, you know, we saw through everything, and that feeling was, okay, yeah, like this is what I need to do, you know. And knowing that at every stage you are actually pushing yourself and you're learning more. And I think the whole practice of litigation now, based on my experiences, every day is I'm just learning something new. And I think that's what clicked for me, is, okay, I need to do this to build myself as a person, and then use whatever skills I've learned to maybe do something else in the future. I would say just do it, because every time I did something I was not sure of, it turned out to be a really good thing.